This is the MegaVolt 10 Air from Wolfbox, a portable 4-in-1 device that combines a jump starter, tire inflator, power bank, and emergency light that easily fits in your vehicle and can be charged using the USB-C ports available in all modern Teslas and most modern cars. We featured a few tire inflators on this channel, but this is the first one we've reviewed that has jumper cables. The MegaVolt 10 Air is equipped with a 37 watt-hour battery, and Wolfbox says the unit can jumpstart a dead 12-volt car battery up to 30 times. As a tire inflator, the MegaVolt 10 Air has a maximum inflation pressure of 150 psi and can inflate a tire from 29 to 36 psi in 1 minute. A 200 lumen LED provides a powerful light, and strobe functions provide emergency lighting. On top of all that, the unit is also a power bank that can output up to 12 watts of power through a USB port. Wolfbox says the unit can operate from -4 degrees to 140 degrees Fahrenheit and has an IP64 rating, which means the MegaVolt 10 Air is completely sealed against dust and airborne particles and is protected from splashing water, although the unit is not completely waterproof. Now you might be thinking, you drive a Tesla, why would you need a battery jump start feature? Tesla vehicles do have a low voltage battery like conventional cars and may need to be jump started when a replacement is needed. Now if you're still going to the gas station or tire shop to fill your tires, you're wasting precious time when you can easily fill your tires from anywhere thanks to the MegaVolt 10 Air. If you have emergency roadside assistance, the battery jumping feature takes care of a dead battery, one of the main reasons you would call for assistance. Think of the MegaVolt 10 Air as cheap insurance to interruptions on your trip, low tire pressure, or a dead battery. Now, if you're interested in getting a Wolfbox MegaVolt 10 Air, there are links in the description below, and if you use our links, you'll help support our channel and my family. Thanks for making it this far in the video, and if you'd like to see the unboxing process, stay tuned. So today we're unboxing the Wolfbox MegaVolt Air jump starter with air compressor. So this is a multi-function device that combines an air compressor with a jumper cable as well as an emergency light. So this is the first product that I've seen that combines these different products into one. And if you are the type of person that is on the road a lot and you don't want to rely on emergency services to get you a jump if you're stuck somewhere, if your battery dies, or if your tire needs to be filled up, you don't want to worry about having to go to a gas station or go to a tire facility. You can inflate your tires anywhere that you are, and this product allows you to do all of those things. So you open the box. First thing that you see is the Wolfbox jump starter and air compressor combination here. So let's take that out of the box first. You notice that it has a protective sheath on it. Let's pull that out. And it's a pretty clean design. It's just definitely minimalist. It's got an LED light here. And let's see if we just turn it on, hold down the button, powers on, and you can set the PSI for the tire or product that you're going to be inflating. And it's got a few different modes here. It's got auto mode, bicycle mode. Oh, sorry, that was motorcycle mode. This is bicycle mode, inflatable ball mode, and you can also turn on the emergency light here. Let's hold it. So it's just a one touch. You tap it again and you're going to get a flashing red strobe. Tap it in, you get a flashlight colored strobe. Tap it in and it turns off. Now the unit has a USB charging port here. It's covered with a rubber gasket, so it provides some sort of weatherproofing or weather resistance to it. I see a USB-C port here as well as a USB-A. And on this side, I think this is where you attach the jumper cables. Let's see if I'm right on that. Oh, I'm wrong. Jumper cables go here, and there's a port for that. So let's go see what other accessories are in this box. You've got inflatable air hose here. Let's see how this works. So you screw in the air hose here next to the strobe light. It's pretty easy to twist on, and what I'm liking about this air hose is it's not the screw-in type that you see on some air inflators. This one is actually, you stick it on the tire valve stem and you just lock it in place using this lever, and it just locks in, and you can start inflating it right away. So that's a nice feature to have. There's also jumper cables here. So see, there's positive and negative terminals, and this plugs into the unit itself. See how quickly I can plug that in. Plugs in seconds. All right. So Wolfbox also throws in carrying case, as well as USB-C to USB-A charging cable, as well as 3 adapters. Looks like you have a needle adapter for basketballs, recreational balls. This cone-shaped adapter, and then you have this I think Schrader valve connector for certain bicycle tires. So pretty standard set of adapters that you see with a lot of other inflators. Wolfbox throws those in as well. So when it's time to actually store these, let's see how that works. This is again the storage bag that's thrown in along with your purchase. And there's 2 different compartments here. There's a larger one here and then a skinnier one here, as well as this netting material here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all the small parts, which are these valve adapters, put them back into the plastic bag that's been provided. Throw those into the larger compartment here. Disconnect the charging cables. Goes in here. Disconnect the air inflator hose. Add that here. Let's package up the Wolfbox itself. Make sure all the ports are covered here. Let's see, let's turn off the unit. Finally, the charging cable. So the fact that it's got a USB-C to USB-A charging cable says that you can basically charge this in any modern car. And there you go. There's a nice little carrying case. You can store this in your trunk or elsewhere in your car. It's a nice little carrying lanyard here. And it's all nice and self-contained. So also comes with an instruction manual. And if you made it this far in the video, really appreciate it. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.